Imagine walking into the largest laser showroom in the United States, where every machine is running, every question gets answered, and every possibility comes to life. This is the Boss Laser Experience Center in Sanford, Florida. Bring the materials you work with every day and watch them transformed right before your eyes. See how they engrave, cut, mark, and perform on the exact Boss Laser machine you're considering. Sit down one-on-one with one of our highly trained laser specialists. No sales pressure, just real answers, expert guidance, and hands-on demonstrations tailored to your goals. Process over 100 different materials with our versatile CO2 laser systems. Boost your metal fabrication with fiber laser cutters offering up to 40 kilowatts of cutting power. Discover high-speed fiber, CO2, and UV galvo laser markers trusted by industry professionals. At Boss Laser, you'll experience the technology before making your investment. Schedule your free virtual or in-person demonstration at the Boss Laser Experience Center. Don't just imagine what's possible. Experience it.